Hello guys, here is my small tutor on multiple audio renderers usage. We've got some requests from you that you need to output separate audio streams to separate sound cards of your system. So here is a small tutor demonstrating how to do that. The idea of outputting separate audio streams is usage of IMRenderer interface of the objects. Using this interface, you can specify the audio renderer to output the audio to. So here is my small sample. It's a very simple form that contains the audio renderers list. I put a list of renderers right over here. A button to enumerate the audio renderers, the button to set a chosen renderer to send the stream to, and of course a button to pick the file and start the playback to check if it's working. Okay, now let's get to the code. To demonstrate it, I use two separate objects. It's MFile object and MPreview object. Basically, you can use just a single MFile object and its IMPreview interface in case you need to output just a single stream. But in case of outputting multiple streams to separate sound cards, I recommend you to use multiple MPreview objects, so you will be able to control each object separately, to control the audio volume, and etc. So here is my form load. Here I just create the objects, link the MPreview objects to MFile, enable the preview right here, and set the preview panel for my MPreview object. Okay, here is my code to enumerate the renderers. Right here I do just a small trick. I call the props get method of the MPreview object with audio renderer list property. This property will give me the string that will contain all available renderers separated with a comma. So this will give me the idea which renderers I have over here and which can I set. Okay, so I call this method to get the string of renderers. Then I split them using comma separator to get the array of renderer names, and then I just put them to the list box. Okay, on renderer set button click, I just pick the renderer name from the list box and set it to the preview object using props set method. And the property you need is audio renderer, pretty obviously. Okay, and on button file play click, I just pick the file name using file open dialog and set this file name to my file object and just start the playback. So as you see, it's very simple. Let's check this out, how it works. Here is my form. Pushing the first button to get the renderers. I've got just a single sound card on my notebook, so I have just a few renderers over here. But if you have multiple sound cards, you've got a bunch of them. Let's pick some renderer, set it to my preview object, and check this out if it works. Let's pick a file. Okay, here it works. You can switch the audio renderer on the fly using just the same code. So here it is. Okay guys, here how it works. Check this out and let us know what do you think. See ya.